Our journey to the present continues as we pick up again in the late 1990s. Dolly the sheep, the first mammal to be cloned from an adult cell, is born, changing what science previously thought impossible. The death of the People's Princess caused an outpouring of public grief worldwide. Her funeral was watched by 2.5 billion people. In the new millennium, the first residential crew arrives aboard the International Space Station, having taken 10 years and more than 30 missions to assemble. On a clear Tuesday morning in September 2001, the world watched in horror as one of the most traumatic events of the century unfolded live on TV. Still, the decade of disasters continued as SARS began to spread rapidly around the globe, our first pandemic of the 21st century. And in 2004, history's most deadly tsunami resulted in immense destruction and loss, from Southeast Asia to the shores of East Africa. In 1995, Mrs. Jill Champion took the reins of our flourishing school, confident and approachable, leading St. John's into the new millennium with her inexhaustible energy and clear vision. A journey of faith that had started in 1897 saw our small school reach the triumphant milestone of 100 years. 100 yellow balloons and 100 candles on a cake, our centenary year was filled with celebrations. The school was honored to have our oldest girl, Marge Irons, join in the fun and help our youngest girl blow out the candles. A centenary ball was held for the wider school community to toast to both our rich, happy history and the bright and hopeful road ahead. Our 100th year will always be remembered for happy girls, joyful festivities and expressions of big heart. Facilities at St. John's were boosted during this time, with a number of centenary projects completed in 1997. Our hockey girls celebrated the addition of an AstroTurf, while the junior school was excited to move into their new classroom block. In a year filled with highlights, the school was overcome with excitement during Madiba's visit to the city, and our girls lined the streets to cheer on the father of our nation. What a magnificent time in our history this was, getting to celebrate a courageous journey of 100 years and the extraordinary school we have become.